Okay, this knife does not have this knife in the box. Instead, we got this knife. And this knife doesn't really have a cool name. So I'm going to call it the MTech Wakanda. But there is your blade info. Oh, and there's no information on the blade. I had to look it up online. It's a 3CR13, which makes it a prime candidate for my EDC testing. But it is a nice looking knife. Except for that bit of paint that's gone. Anyway, I like the purple liners. They're not technically milled out because those holes are for the holes in the frame, so I guess they're kind of milled out. It's heavier than a Benchmade bug out. I want to say these are steel liners with aluminum scales, maybe? But, good lockup on the frame liner lock. Flipper tab, assisted, open, dual thumb studs, tip down, carry only, deep carry, right side only, tip down, carry, cannot change the clip. And apparently these come in other color variations, but I got the purple one. So I'm going to call this the MTech USA Wakanda. A little bit of a ramp there with some jimping. And a lanyard hole. Oh, I got the purple one. CR13. I must remember that.